Rasor GRT12 is an electrical 3-phases cutting unit for textile and technical textiles up to 50 millimeters thickness, even with multi-layer. A toolless variable finger protection fulfill highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The GRT12 is arranged with an anchor flange to be easily adjusted on fixed or automated hanger for O.E.M industrial applications. A heavy-duty 3-phases industrial motor in combination with extra strong steel brass gears warrants low maintenance and long durability. This cutting unit does not need any maintenance, so to be easily used during the production process on 24 hours a day. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes as well as for cross-cutting. For edge trimming, there is a right and a left mirrored version available. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor GRT12 into an universal 3-phases cutting unit for all heavy-duty industrial requests. The delivery contains the GRT12, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Please ask us. Contact us for further information.